Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and today we're going to unbox the RU7100 series TV from Samsung, one of their brand new 2019 models. And first thing you're going to want to do, especially with the 65-inch, is get it to a spot where you're going to be setting it up, because once you cut these two straps off, the top of the box is going to lift off and nothing's holding the bottom on, so it's important to remember. Cut through these. And then we've got some tape on the back that we'll be cutting through as well. Just make sure you keep your fingers out of the way. We don't want any injuries. And it kind of gives you some instructions here on the top of the box as well. But we're going to open this and just take a quick look and see what's on the top. So first things first, we've got the quick setup guide. We'll toss that over to the side here. And then we've got our bag of accessories. It's got the remote, it's got the user manual, power cord, some spacers, and some batteries. This is a different remote than what we're seeing on the QLED series TVs, so a little more basic, but it still does have the same Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video buttons on it, which is nice to see. We have some shortcuts to those, and then we have the pedestal feet, and it looks like that's it for the top. Take the styrofoam off here just to make getting the box off easier. And because this is a 65, I will need some help, so I've got my friend Tom here who's going to help me lift the box off. Thank you, Tom. And lastly, just get the styrofoam off of the front, throw that off to the side, as well as that one. And here we've got the TV just standing up in the box. We're going to break here for just a second, attach the pedestal, and we'll be right back to show you what this looks like fully assembled. All right, so we've got our RU7100 all set up, pedestals on. We've got a picture up on the screen here for you to kind of get a taste of what to expect. And so far so good. Different remote with this one, a couple different inputs with this one. Make sure you guys let us know in the comments some of the things that you might want to see about this so we can address them in our overview video. Make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, we appreciate you watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload new content.